Streaming music throughout your home is easy with DTS Play-Fi. Really, it's as easy as connect, select, and play. When you first open your DTS Play-Fi app, you're going to be greeted with all of the various Play-Fi products that you've set up on your network, as well as any pre-configured groups that you set up beforehand. Let's begin by connecting. In this case, we'll connect to the bedroom. Once connected, we're presented with all of the various streaming options. The DTS Play-Fi player can play everything from Amazon Music, Pandora, iHeartRadio, Tidal, and Napster. This is where we get to select the music source. In this case, we'll select from the local music on this device. Now we get to play. You can pick anything from albums or genre if you wanted to organize it in that way. In this case, let's play The Mute from Radical Face. Once we hit play, the music plays out to the corresponding group.
So then one afternoon I dressed myself alone.
While it's playing, we can see the now playing screen here to give us some basic controls, which allow us to shuffle, continuous loop, or loop just one time. We also have volume control over this particular group right here.